La Boutique is way more than a beauty salon.
We felt that one of the most important things was safety. La Boutique is a group of women, and most of our clients and customers are women too. TELUS plays a huge part in helping us make this a comfortable space for our team members.
Hi, I am Elise Barkley, and I am one of the owners here at La Boutique.
My name is Marae Wilson. I am the other owner of La Boutique in Sidney, BC.
So we have 24-hour surveillance, which is really nice to know with a busy community. It's nice to know that, yeah, we're secure and protected 24/7. I love being able to check on my days off, just check the salon, make sure that there's nothing going on inside the shop that we're not aware of, and I love being able to just access it through my TELUS mobility phone.
Maybe our cleaners have come in, or someone has come in and they haven't actually turned off the alarm. And like TELUS will call us right away, and they'll let us know, like, hey, someone is in your salon and the alarm went off. Like, let us know kind of what the situation is. They're very personable. It feels good. It feels like we're being protected from far away.
And we can really focus on what we wanted to do when we opened La Boutique, which was serve our community the best we know how. I feel super grateful that we have this system and that we're able to protect our girls even when we're not in the building, and that everybody feels safe and comfortable here. Working with TELUS was really enjoyable.